I'm giving you my favorite Apple keyboard shortcuts for work and life. I'm Russell from Who the Tech Knows, and whether you're a Mac noob or a Mac stud, you'll get something from these. We've all been there. The program's frozen, you can't exit out. On a PC, you would just hit Control, Alt, and Delete, and you'd be able to exit. But what do you do on a Mac? A Mac has a similar prompt, Option, Command, and Escape. Remember, you want to do it in that order to make sure it works. Lost a file or a program? Forget the mouse. Just hit Command plus Space. Brings up Spotlight for search. Searching for a specific word or phrase online? Command F will help you find it instantly. Speaking of online, if you need another tab, which I always do, Command T. If you want to select all your documents or all your files, Command A works perfectly for that. If you're finding these valuable, please give me a like or maybe even hit the subscribe button. If you have a shortcut that we missed, please share it below for others to learn from. A picture's worth 1,000 words, and sometimes you just need a screenshot. So, Command Shift and 3 will save that right to your desktop. Now, if you want to select a specific portion, you can do that with Command Shift and 4. You'll be able to select whatever you want and it'll save that to your desktop as well. If you need to take a video or record a call or something along those lines, Command Shift and 5. It'll bring up the menu bar, which allows you to record your entire screen or just a portion if you want. If you're working on something and you made a mistake, all you have to do is hit Command Z and it saves the day. This works for Word, Excel, and so many others. If you want to copy something, just hit Command and C, and that'll allow you to save it to your clipboard. Now, if you want to paste it, it's just as simple, Command V. Hey, let's say you're at the office and your boss walks by and you need to hide something quickly, Command M will hide that tab. And finally, the most important shortcut of all, Command S, save your work.